Okay, so we're going to take our rock wool cubes and we're going to dump them in here real quickly. And give them a quick squeeze so they're damp but not soaked. Okay. So there's two types of these. A deeper one and a shallower one, depending on what we're going to plant. If it's like a lettuce, we're going to use the shallower one. If it's a bigger plant like a pepper, we're going to use the bigger one. Okay, so we have cucumber here. Depending on the length of the root, depending on how we're going to do this. For a super long root, I like to basically put a hole right through them. And then we're going to grab one of these guys. I'm going to grab it close to the bottom. And that's the leaf up top. And we're going to basically just poke it on through on this one. And again, we're going to find the bottom of it, which is this side, so we see the little leaf on top. These are super delicate, so we don't want to squeeze too hard with our tweezers. I'm going to stick it in here again, so the leaf just sticks out on the top slightly. Tuck it in. And because this is lettuce, I'm going to use a shallow one, otherwise it'll bunch up and mold in the middle. And that's good.